In this video, I'll show you how to use VPN on the Opera GX mobile browser. We'll find out if you can actually enable a VPN. Can it actually be done on your phone? Let's find out. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. It works on both Android and iPhone and is perfect for streaming safely, protecting your privacy, and bypassing restrictions. When you open Opera GX on your mobile device, you'll notice that there's no VPN button anywhere on the main screen. Scrolling through the home page just shows games, but unlike the desktop version, there's no built-in VPN access here. If you go into Settings by tapping the Opera icon at the bottom right, you still won't find an option to enable VPN. Even switching to private mode doesn't change anything. The VPN feature is completely missing from mobile. The reason is simple. Currently, Opera GX on mobile doesn't support VPN the way the desktop browser does. This video is meant to inform you so you don't get confused or expect features that aren't available. If you want to use the Opera GX VPN, you'll need to do it on a PC using the desktop version of the browser. For those looking for a reliable VPN that works on mobile and PC, you can use NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and works anywhere you need it, perfect for streaming, browsing safely, and bypassing restrictions. Check the link in the description to try it at a great price.